Is your Uber profile stuck in the Stone Age with outdated vehicle info? Let's bring it into the present. First, open your Uber driver app. Make sure you are logged into your account. Next, tap the menu icon located in the top left corner of the screen. It looks like 3 horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. This will open the side menu. Find and tap on Account, or sometimes, depending on your app version, Profile. Now, look for the section labeled Vehicles or Cars. It might be a little further down the page, so scroll if needed, tap on it. Here, you'll see your current vehicle. If you need to add a new vehicle, tap the Add Vehicle option. If you're updating an existing vehicle, select the vehicle you want to edit. This screen will prompt you to enter your vehicle's information. Carefully fill in all the required fields: make, model, year, license plate number, and insurance information. Double-check this info carefully, as any errors can delay your approval. You'll also need to upload a clear photo of your vehicle insurance document that shows proof of coverage with necessary details. After you've entered all the information and uploaded the necessary documents, review everything one last time, then click Submit. Uber will now review your updated vehicle information. This might take a few hours or a day or two. You will receive an app notification when the review is complete. Once approved, your updated vehicle will be active, and you're ready to get back on the road. You can now start accepting rides again.